Hello students, I am Parveen Singh. Today we start WMM road and also we discuss about the fiber reinforced concrete. Students, WMM road is a wet mix macadam road which is small improvement in WBM road. In this road we using the premix materials at the construction site, right? So let's start with the WMM road. WMM road wet mix macadam road construction. And in this road construction, we using the aggregates with smaller size varies between the 4.75 mm to 20 mm size, and the using the binders of stone as a stone dust or quarry dust having plasticity index not less than 6% are pre-mixed in batching plant or in mixing machine. Then they are brought to the site for overlaying and compaction. If we're talking about the plasticity index for the binder materials, is kept low because it should be a sound and non-plastic materials. It if the plastic index is more, then there are the chances of the swelling and more water retention properties. So this value should be kept in mind. You can see here various type of difference in WBM road and WM road. So if we see the first difference is mainly the cost difference. In case of WMM road have a more cost of construction as compared to WBM road. If we talking about the durability of WMM road is more as compared to WBM road. And if we see next difference, a WM road get dry sooner and can be open for traffic within less time as compared to WBM road, which take about 1 month for getting dry. WMM road as soon as ready to black top with the bitumen layer. Okay, and if we taking the progress, if we, the WM road are constructed faster as compared to WBM roads, and the material size in a WMM road is lesser as compared to the WBM roads. If we taking the measurement in WBM road in a cubic meters and in a WM road in a square meter. So these are a difference between WBM road and WMM roads constructions. So this topic is important. So learn this all steps. Okay students, जो कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टेप्स है WM रोड में आप मटेरियल मिक्सिंग करोगे प्लांट में, सीधा ही आप कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट पे लेयर पे प्लेस कर दोगे और उसको कॉम्पैक्ट कर दोगे, वो आपका WM रोड बन जाएगा, राइट। WBM रोड में आपको पहले ही पढ़ा चुका हूँ, इससे पहले वाले लेक्चर में मैंने पढ़ा दिया है, तो उसको लेक्चर को देख लीजिए। नाउ next topic will be start, that is the fiber reinforced concrete. Students, if we talking about the concrete is the mixture of the cement, aggregate and water, right? So if we adding the fibers in a concrete, so that will be make a that concrete make a reinforced fiber reinforced concrete. That type of you can say that concrete is fiber reinforced concrete. So fibers, what is a fiber? Students, fiber can be in the form of steel fibers, glass fiber and natural fiber. Synthesis fiber भी हो सकते हैं, right? It is a composite obtained by adding a single type or a blended of fibers of the conventional concrete mix. आप देख सकते हो फाइबर एक्चुअल में आपका काफी माइक्रोन में साइज होता है इनका, राइट. यू कैन सी हियर these are a fibers and these size are in microns. This type of steel fibers, and these fibers is called glass fibers. Here we see the why we fiber are used. So mainly role of fibers is to bridge the cracks that develop in concrete, right, and increase the ductility of concrete elements. There is consider improvement in the past cracking behavior of concrete containing fiber due to both plastic shrinkage and dry shrinkage. They also reduce the permeability of concrete and thus reduce bleeding of water. Same type of fibers produce greater vibration and shatter resistance in concrete. Fibers are impart more resistance to impact load. So these are benefits to use the fibers. If we taking the toughness mechanisms, so toughness is ability of material to absorb the energy, and plasticity deform without fracturing. It can also be defined as a resistance to fracture of a material when stressed. So स्टूडेंट्स टफनेस की बात करें तो आपका जो फाइबर रेनफोर्समेंट है इसमें ग्रेट रोल प्ले करता है टू रजिस्ट द टफनेस. Okay, it can also be defined as a resistance to fracture of a material when stressed. So fiber reinforcement है वो आपका इसमें अच्छा वर्क करता है टफनेस के केस में. So you can see here type of fibers: steel fiber, glass fiber, synthetic fibers और natural fiber भी यूज करते हैं जैसे grass root वगैरह. These are natural fibers, right? If we talking about the steel fibers, so steel fibers are the aspect ratio of 30 to 250, and that diameter varies from 0.25 mm to 0.75 mm, and high structural strength, reduce crack width and control the crack width tightly, thus improve durability, improve impact and abrasion resistance. Used in precast and structural applications such as highway and airport pavement, refractory and canal lining, industrial flooring, bridge, deck, etc. Type of fiber. So here you can see here type of fiber: steel, glass, asbestos, rayon, cotton, nylon, polypropylene, acrylic, and these are and some criteria for these fibers. Tensile strength कितनी होगी? So if we talking about the steels, so here tensile strength of fiber that is with the 2752 to 2758 MPa megapascal, and Young modulus is 200 into 10 about 3 megapascals, and ultimate elongation that is varies from 0.5% to 35%. We talking about the specific gravity that is equal to 2.5. So these are the fibers name, and these are properties of fibers. If we talking about the mechanical properties of fibers, so if we see about the compressive strength, so presence of fiber may alter the failure mode of cylinder, but the fiber effect will be minor on the improvement of compressive strength value, that is 0 to 15%. If we're talking about the modulus of elasticity, so modulus of elasticity of fiber reinforcement concrete increases slightly with an increase in the fiber content. It was found that for each 1% increase in fiber content by volume, there is an increase of 3% in the modulus of elasticity. Flexure, the flexure strength was reported to be increased by 2.5 times using 4% fiber. Next, mechanical property is the splitting tensile strength. The presence of 3% fiber by volume was reported to increase splitting tensile strength of mortar about 2.5 times that of the unreinforced one. If we're talking about the toughness for the FRC, so toughness is about the 10 to 40 times that of plain concrete. And the fatigue strength, so additional of fiber increase the fatigue strength about the 90%. Okay. If we're talking about the impact resistance, so impact resistance of fiber, impact resistance of fibers, concrete generally 5 to 10 times that of plain concrete depending on the volume of fiber. If we're talking about the volume of fiber, so low volume of fractional, if we're talking about the low volume fractional, so that will be less than 1% used in slab and pavement that have large exposed surface leading to high shrinkage cracking. If we talking about the moderate volume fraction, so that is 1 to 2% and used in construction methods such as short skate and in a structure which requires improved capacity against delaminations, spalling, and fatigue. Next, if we're talking about the high volume fractionals, so that value greater than 2% used in making high performance fiber reinforced composites, basically using and in case of precast concrete. We talking about the orientation of fibers. So orientation of the fiber done in load directions and also we done in a perpendicular to the load direction and randomly distribution of fibers. So it is observed that fiber aligned parallel to applied load offer a more tensile strength and toughness and randomly distributed or then randomly distributed or परपेंडिकुलर फाइबर सो बेस्ट ओरिएंटेशन है आपका फाइबर्स का दैट विल बी प्रोवाइड पैरेलल टू द लोड you can see here parallel to the load these are fibers that will provide parallel to the load so this orientation is better as compared to these one this orientation is provided perpendicular to the load and this is the random orientation. सो स्टूडेंट्स ये हमारा फाइबर रेनफोर्समेंट कंक्रीट था इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है ये आप कीजिए याद इसको इससे पहले जो WMM कराया वो भी इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक था तो दोनों टॉपिक को आप अच्छी तरह लर्न कीजिए कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो स्टूडेंट्स कांटेक्ट मी ओके स्टूडेंट्स बाय टेक केयर